Hello again, welcome back to Joe's Home Flavors. Today we're going to be cooking red bean rice. It's very much appreciated in Portugal as it goes with fish. Many of the Portuguese fish dishes and pasties go with the beans rice. It's a very nice and appreciated recipe. So bear with me and let's get on with the process. Okay, so let's start our rice then. So first thing we need is a little bit of olive oil. I'm using this aromatized olive oil with some herbs. This is pretty easy to make. I can give you a couple of pointers on it, but it's really easy to make. So when I get this hob going, I have a little bit of olive oil there, and my onions, we want these onions to caramelize a little bit before we do anything else. So the onion has been running for 1 minute now. So we now add the garlic. We should now add a little bit of water. As the water heats up, we start seasoning the water so we can then build the rice. Okay, so first and foremost, salt, a little bit of salt, not too much, pepper, a little bit of powdered cumin, not too much, powdered coriander as well. We should now add the beans so that they get a chance to get all that flavor from the seasoning. I'm only using the beans, not the stock that comes with the beans in the can, so I prefer to use just plain water and build my sauce on my own rather than taking that. We need this to come to the boil. So another 2 or 3 minutes, and once it comes to the boil, then we add the rice. Okay, we have it now boiling, and this is the time to get this rice in there. Should now cover the pot, bring it down to a simmer and let it cook for 10 minutes. So our rice has been cooking now for close to 10 minutes, so it's almost ready. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of passata, just to give it a little bit of color. I'm going to turn this off now, turn the hob off, and I'm adding this chopped parsley. I'm just going to reserve this little leaves here for presentation, but everything else goes in there. Our rice is now ready, so I'm going to serve it and try it. Here we have it, folks. Our beans rice. just cooked, and in very good company as well. They in company of our pataniscas, which is a cod fritter, and which I also just made. You can find the link down below to the recipe, and with obviously they need a good company as well. And today I have some wine from Douro, which is a northern sort of part of Portugal, and this is more of a full body reds, which goes perfectly with a light meal like this. So let's see if it goes or if it doesn't. I'm going to let it breathe for a couple of seconds there, and let's go and try this. This rice is smelling really good. Oh my God. Spot on. And this is even better with the patanisca. That's what we call it. Another typical dish from Portugal, pataniscas with beans rice. Can't go wrong with this. Really easy to make and delicious. Thank you very much for watching our video, and please give me a thumbs up if you can. Share with your friends, it's important for them. If you like it, I bet you your friends will like it too. And it's important for our channel to get discovered, and so I can keep on coming back with new and delicious recipes. Subscribe so you know when we have new uploads. And yeah, thanks for coming, and cheers!